Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today my video is how to make tang suyok. This is a pork in sweet and sour. You can use here pork loin or pork belly. So before we start, don't forget subscribe, like and share. Let's go. Okay, let's start the procedure. This is a pork loin. I will use now a pork loin because it's here is available. You can cut into length, and then this is a cornstarch and flour. I will mix it into the water. Just raise in 2 hours for mix it. And then this is a pork loin. I will put salt in, black pepper powder. This is a carrots, red bell pepper and green red bell pepper. Garlic, ginger, onion. You can use always a garlic, every time I will cook, I will use a garlic. Fruit cocktail. You can use it also a fruit cocktail syrup. Now saute, all mixing, all ingredients. Saute, and I will add the corn syrup. Sometimes this fruit cocktail syrup. Continue until the oil is good smell and golden brown. Very nice, good smell, delicious. Yum yum yum. Now I put already the pineapple syrup and ketchup. I will add ketchup. Mix it. Continue mix it. If sticky, you can add again corn syrup or pineapple syrup. Now we'll add the cornstarch for the sticky. Every time I will cook, I will use a garlic and ginger, onion for a good taste and delicious smell. I'm Louie. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Shout out everyone. Fry the pork into 5 minutes. Deep fried. You can use oil. Now it's prepared already, golden brown. Preparing to serve in one plate. Now we can taste it. Oh, so yummy. Wow. Yum yum yum. The color is nice and good smell. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Babu. See you again in my next video. Babu